Hey guys, thought I would do a real quick 4-year, yes I said 4-year update on this Minn Kota Endura C2 30-pound thrust trolling motor. Now, if you want to see, you know, where I unboxed it, I'm going to put that down in the description. This one's going to just see how it held up after 4 years. Now I'm going to give you a few little pointers here, kind of tell you about it. Telescoping handle so you can adjust it. It's got 5 forward speeds, it's got 3 reverses. Here's where you clip it onto your transom. There's what it looks. That's what my propeller looks like after 4 years. I take care of it. When I get through, I take it off the boat, I put it back in its box, and I store it till next time. Of course, you got your leads. One's got red and black, hooks to your positive. Solid black hooks to your negative. The battery I'm using is just a battery I bought at Walmart, Everstart. I think this is like an 845 cold cranking amps. It's about $100. Give about the same amount for the battery as I did the trolling motor. I looked, I give $100 for this 4 years ago, and they're still right at $100. So, hey, let's put it on the boat, back it in, let's drive around a little while, and let's just see how it's held up after 4 years. Let's get going. Well, like I said, guys, earlier, I bought this in 2015. At the time of this video, it's 2019. So we've got it on. Let's take off, see how it does. You got a telescoping handle here, so if you want to adjust it to your convenience, makes it better. And like I say, 5 forward speeds. Let's go to 5. Also, I've got is just got a Walmart Everstart deep cycle battery that I'm using to push it with. Honestly, this little trolling motor don't pull a lot, so I think I'd give about $100 for the battery. I think I give as much for the battery as I did the trolling motor. Again, 5 forward speeds, 3 reverses. Let's drive around here just a second and make sure. Like I say, after 4 years, still no problem. But like I say, I do take it off the boat every night when I get through using it. I put it in a box. I keep it clean, so you know that's going to help. But hey, after 4 years, what can I say? Still works great. Hey, hope this helped you out. Hope if you're wanting to buy one of these, this might help you decide. So till next time, catch you later.